Hello Tech Fam, your TechSys is in the house again. So today we'll be learning about object file. So what is object file? Alright, so object file is basically a partially processed file. It's a partially processed file. Assuming you have seen the previous videos, which I recommend to go watch to understand the whole analogy I'm taking. So source file was the ingredients. Next header file was the instruction. Right? Next we have the object file. What this object file is basically, considering the pizza we had the pizza ingredients, we had the instruction on how to make the pizza. Now we have made it into a pizza, but the thing is it is unbaked. So what it is basically ingredients, instruction, then partially prepared food. It's basically partially prepared food. You can't eat the pizza dough directly, right? So you have to bake it. So object file is basically a partially processed file which is created when the compiler compiles your .c, which is source file, with help of header file, right? With the help of header file. It basically contains machine level code, right? This machine level code cannot be understood by us. It is something created by the machine for the machine to understand. All right. Source file written by us, object file made by machine. All right. This also has a file extension. All right. This has two types of file extension. .o for Linux or Mac and .obj for Windows. All right. What did you guys understand? Object file is basically a partially prepared food which is not yet consumable. It looks like the food, but it is not yet executable or consumable. All right. This is usually done by compiler. How do you compile it? It is gcc hello.c. This is basically telling the compiler to compile hello.c. After compilation, what do we get? We get hello.o or hello.obj in case of Windows. Alright, this object file helps getting linked to other object files. Alright, this object file links to other object file to form a executable file. Alright, to form an executable file. So this is basically what object file means. Alright, I'll put star marks for all the stuff that you will have to write in your exams or whatever.